National Manufacturing Day is a really good way of helping your local community, of your potential employees, find out what you do. You know, we've all walked past buildings and factories and whatever else and gone, I wonder what goes on in there. So that's what's really good about National Manufacturing Day. You know, I've seen that myself as a kid who grew up in an area of heavy industry, of lots of manufacturing. Because our school was brought in to see all the industry, we then wanted to work in it, and that's what happened. You know, I went into engineering before I was taken to the dark side of the media. But it's key, and that's what all companies should. You shouldn't fear people coming in to see you. I know it means a bit more bureaucracy and various risk assessments and all of that, but the benefit you will see from being engaged with your community will far outweigh all that.